How to prevent female and male baldness with the right haircut. Going bald is understandably one of our biggest fears as we grow older. Medically known as an effluvium, hair loss may be due to one or more several factors, such as poor diet, genetics, or poor diet that stop hair from growing. Hair damage that leads to hair loss can be due to hair treatments, which means it is possible to prevent the problem with the right hair care. Your haircut and hair loss. How you cut your hair and style it, along with the tools you use to keep your hair looking good, can cause hair damage. It can lead to your hair becoming brittle, dull, and frizzy. Oftentimes, it can result to your hair falling out. If your hair is thinning out, it is important that you sport the right haircut, which can help hide the baldness. When you go to your hairdresser, you should be very specific regarding the hairstyle to go for. For men, the shape should be square and the overall haircut looks tall, lean, masculine, and strong. Clip close to the scalp, particularly on the lower half of the head, which can help create a full look. Any hairstyle that is shaped around the lower half of the head will work as long as it is closely clipped to expose the scalp. This creates a crisp square outline through the upper parts of the head. The hairstyle would also work if it has a square layered arrangement, which gives a full angled profile. Clip close to the scalp, particularly on the lower half of the head, which can help create a full look. Pick help. The haircuts mentioned above are effective in taking the focus away from the upper regions where there is lack of hair density. When there is scalp exposure, the lower half of the head gives the illusion that the upper part of the head looks full. Make sure that the top layers of the hair is not too long, which can actually contribute to thinning hair. Meanwhile, for women, keep your hair above shoulder level. A blunt cut can definitely help, especially in making the ends look less thin. For women who still have thick front hair, deep bangs can help conceal a wispy crown. Coloring hair can also work because the dye helps in swelling the shaft of the hair. However, it will depend on the shade of the hair. If you're pale, go for lighter hair. Those with dark skin should not go blonde. Contrary to popular belief, cutting hair short or shaving does not prevent hair loss. It is true though that shorter hair can make hair look thicker. It also helps if you usually tie your hair. Short hair has a smaller chance of getting pulled and caught, which helps in training your hair to grow closer to the surface of the scalp.